Tutorial: open and close the eyes of a paper doll. Hello, this is brown sugar. There are many babies who want to know how to make brown sugar wink. So let's take a look. Take out a pen and draw a long strip between the eyes. Cut it out with a carving knife. Take out the remaining plastic sealing film or cardboard. Cut a long strip. Ready to make eyelid handles. Fold into an M shape like brown sugar. Use glue to stick the middle first. The pressure gauge will be firmer. Keep applying glue. Put it in the groove just dug out. Take out eyelids. Align and stick it on. Brown sugar shows the back of the eyelids to the babies. So you've got the handle. Cut some long strips. Ready to do eyelid track. The red box is a group. For groups in total. Stack each group of notes one by one. Coincide and stick together. This is what it looks like after it is glued. It's thick. Place for long strips around the eyelids. Adjust the position. Let the eyelids just be wrapped inside. Glue it on. Like this, the track is ready. Good for the eyes. Baby, have you learned?